Hello, it is Saturday morning, just after 11 o'clock. I don't even know if my hair is even, it probably isn't, but who cares? Yeah, I'm here with my Animal Crossing t-shirt. I have a character on my watch, so it should tell you what's inside this box down here. Yes, so a few weeks ago, I did an unboxing of Tom Nook, and you can see that if you look on my channel. But I now have the Isabelle. So just over a month after they released Tom Nook and Isabelle, they released them again with their winter outfits. Now, initially I didn't bother with Isabelle because I just wanted Tom. And so I just ordered Tom. And then when they released the winter outfits, I thought, I want Tom's winter outfit, so I'll just get that. But no, you had to buy Tom. So you get exactly the same Tom again, just with his winter outfit on. So I thought, you know what, because I didn't get Isabelle before, why don't I just get Isabelle in her winter outfit? And that's quite good because I've got two Animal Crossing islands, one on the light and one on the Switch. My Switch is a northern hemisphere, which is currently in spring/summer, and my light is in the summer hemisphere, which is in autumn. So the trees are turning and the grass is all kind of dark green, kind of brownish colour. Anyway, so this morning I was actually opening a pair of trainers and I heard the doorbell ring. So I already had a delivery of something else. Then I heard the doorbell again. I thought, could that be Isabelle? And it was. So anyway, here she is. I already started opening the box. She's in here again, just like when I opened Tom, upside down. So here she is. Here is Isabelle. Let's have a look at her. Yeah, I think she's a bit strange looking. I did like the winter kind of cardigan, and I really thought it would be proper like cable knit, a proper like knitted Aran style cardigan, but it's just printed. So shortcuts yet again. But this is Isabelle in her winter outfit. And with my Tom Nook, I opted for his phrases. So with her, I decided to go for the Animal Crossing theme. Let's have a listen. The tune we all know and love. Isn't that right? So her winter outfit. His summer outfit. This is what we've got. Yeah, enough. Yeah, so you may notice that the music in the background is the 11 a.m. music, and because I think when the post woman arrived this morning to deliver her, it was about, I don't know, just after 11. So yeah, anyway, you can see Isabelle telling us what time it was when she arrived. I don't know if she really looks like Isabelle. I think Tom looks a lot like Tom, but I think it's hard to capture her, I guess, in a Build-A-Bear kind of plushie form. But I think he is a lot easier to maintain the realness of the way he looks. I don't know, somehow I don't really think she looks exactly like she looks. I don't know, you tell me what you think. But yeah, so this is my Isabelle. And like Tom, she has the Animal Crossing logo on her foot. She has the Build-A-Bear logo on her paw. And there's obviously the collaboration of the two companies here on the tag. And yeah, so like I said, I'm quite disappointed. I really thought it would be a nice woolen knitted cardigan, but it's not. It's just some sort of, I don't know what material it is, with velcros at the back. And again, the clothes are tacked to the back of the animal, but you can just quickly cut it off and try other clothes on. I did try Tom with some other clothes, so I might try her with another girly Build-A-Bear outfit. But like Tom, she has strange kind of short legs and feet that don't protrude, so things like shoes and things don't stay on. But anyway, I will dress her up in something else and see what she looks like, just for the fun of it. So here's Isabelle dressed up in some clothes that I picked up the other week from the Build-A-Bear outlet at the O2, where things are just a couple of pounds each. I think it's because they're out of season, but I'm not really following the season. So I think this is from the Kaboo or Kaboo range. I don't even know how you say it. But yeah, so she can put other clothes on. And like I was saying before, the feet, it just kind of pulls off because there is no foot to go into the shoe, as it were. So that's that. And there, here you can see her winter outfit, which again is just all together with Velcro at the back. And so the skirt and the cardigan and the blouse are all one collaboration, as you can see right here. So, I mean, it might even be fun to put Tom Nook in this and Isabelle in his clothes. That might become something quite fun to do. Anyway, here we are. Isabelle from the winter range. And yeah, that's Animal Crossing and Build-A-Bear. I wonder what's going to happen next. I mean, if I was to choose which Build-A-Bear I would like to see from the Animal Crossing series, I don't know. I mean, everybody loves Raymond, isn't that even a show? But I think Stitches. I think I'd like to see Stitches because he's already a bear and he's really cute. So yeah, let's see. Anyway, take care. Bye. I did talk about switching Isabelle and Tom Nook's clothes around, and I have. So here's me and my cross-dressing Build-A-Bears. I think Tom actually looks quite good like this. Isabelle, not so much. I think it's all too pale for her skin tone, as it were. Here they are, back to a normal. So today's video is not about you, sorry Tom. It's about Isabelle and her winter outfit. So in a way, I'm glad I only got Tom so that I did get the opportunity to have her in a winter outfit and not have to worry about having two Tom Nooks. Someone on Facebook said they might just do it and then see if anyone wants a naked Tom for themselves. So I mean, if that floats your boat, go for it. Oh, I almost forgot her birth certificate. Her birthday is the 20th of December, and I just put this year because I don't know how old she is. I mean, maybe she's born in 1984. Maybe she's born in 2005. I don't know. So that's Isabelle's birth certificate, and it belongs to me. And that's it. That's really it now. Now to go shopping.